Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin right away. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS so features match these steps. Next, open Settings, then Accessibility, then Touch. You're already in the right place. Tap Assistive Touch to turn it on. This places a floating menu on screen. Once done, you'll see a small, movable button. That's your hub. Make sure to enable reachability if you prefer a lower button position, and prepare to customize gestures and top-level actions. Once Assistive Touch is enabled, customize the top-level menu so your most used actions appear first. You can replace icons with Home, Control Center, or a custom gesture. Tap an icon to change it. Create new gestures by recording taps and swipes, then assign them to a menu slot. This saves repetitive motion. Make sure to tweak idle opacity so the button is visible but unobtrusive, and set touch duration for taps versus long presses. These changes affect responsiveness and ease of use. Finish by positioning the floating button where it won't block content, then test every assigned action. Home, Siri, Control Center, custom gestures. Use them in apps to confirm expected behavior. If something feels off, double-check gesture recordings and reassign icons as needed. If the button is unresponsive, first toggle Assistive Touch off and on. Next, restart the iPhone. If it still fails, reset accessibility settings or update iOS. One tip: restart usually resolves transient touch or menu glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.